Mind over matter, my shit will make you shatter your bones. If you enter this, this'll be the danger zone. We're chillin' doing this shit, no matter if you got anything you've grown. We'll snatch it up, we'll take everything you got and we'll make you get stuck. You starstruck every time you see someone you like. It don't even matter if you're trying to do this shit, I'm gonna have to ignite. Right now you see the light that I'm bringing to the mic. So what's right is the path that you're trying to be taking. I'll be breaking no matter if you're trying to do the shit. So let's go fluent with this. If you're effortless, don't matter if you're trying to get this. I come relentless with the microphone. If you're trying to come at me, don't matter if you're trying to clap these. So I'ma kick the freeze, best believe. It don't matter, still be plucking trees, getting bitches on the knees. If you're trying to see my steeds, that's what it be. So just trying to kick the shit, I'm on the MICs and the NPCs making beats. Doing this shit every day, every night. Even if I'm up all day, even if I get no sleep, don't matter, still creep, still paint, creeping on the freeways, hitting up doing this shit for many days. Styles that amaze, people still living like slaves. They don't know, they don't even behave. So what the fuck when they happen in the grave? They just complain, talk about this shit when it's dropping down like rain. And you feel the pain of this